guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this glowy summer look for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so first I'm concealing my eyelids with my Born This Way concealer and I already have my brows done as you guys can tell. And then I'm taking this shade as my transition shade and I'm just buffing that all over the top part of my lid. Next I'm taking this shade and I'm also putting it in the same spot just to create a little bit more depth. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm putting it more in my direct crease and kind of bringing it out. Then I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Stick, it's like in a gold shimmer shade, and I'm putting that directly on my lid and then I'm taking a flat brush to kind of spread it out and even it out. And then to intensify the shimmer, I'm just going to wet my brush and then use this shade and then also pack this color on top of where I put the NYX pen. So then I went ahead and did the other eye off camera and added lashes. These are from Coco. I'm not sure of the name though. So now I'm just adding moisturizer. This is the Pink Cloud Rose Moisturizer. I love this. A little bit goes a long way and it's super refreshing on my skin and acts as a really good primer too. I'm taking my Kat Von D concealer and I'm using it for my under eyes and any red spots that I have. And for foundation today, I'm using my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. This foundation is literally my favorite right now. It photographs so beautifully and it definitely stays on all day. Then I'm going to go back over some spots with my Born This Way concealer just to ensure my eye bags are not there. Now I'm bringing some warmth to my face and I'm going to do this using the NYX Matte Bronzer. To set my whole face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And then after I let it bake for a little bit, I like to wipe it off using a big fluffy brush. This is the one that I use from IT Cosmetics. And then as I was dusting, I accidentally hit my septum, so here's me just straightening it out. For highlight, I'm going for a bronzy and glowy look, so I'm using both of these highlighters mixed, and I'm just placing that on my temples. And then for my nose and inner corner and eyebrow highlight, I'm just using the middle shade. To finish it off, I'm using a cream lip stain from the Sephora collection, and this is in number 33 Pink Peony. And now we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Don't forget to subscribe and follow your girl on Instagram. Bye!